I think I will start with this in-person teaching method. So now if we look at the evolution of this blended or online mode of teaching. So if I look at the in-person teaching, what is actually meant is that in-person teaching means that the teacher will come to the class, some students will be sitting over there and the teacher will use only chalk and the blackboard. So that is the ultimate in-person teaching. But then over the years as we evolved due to the increment in the number of students and also the other infrastructural issues, we take help of the using PowerPoint projections and we prepare our slides beforehand before coming to the class. So in the process, we were in the gradual way of moving from in-person towards what we are talking about, this blended mode. We are already doing that. Now, in the process, what happened, because I started my career with only chalk and blackboard, then what happened is what I felt that the mystery when you teach something on the blackboard and as you proceed, right, there is always a mystery which is there, which the students was looking forward. But the moment you show something on the PPT, that mystery goes. So that is the first problem with this kind of this way of negotiating with the students or interacting with the students. The other problem that I came across is that, see, moment you do something on the blackboard and you are trying to discuss or trying to explain something, the imagination of the students are getting tested. Whereas if you suppose I want to explain an IC engine, and I am not giving example from electrical engineering purposefully. Let's say I want to explain IC engine, and then these bulbs are going up and down, and then the students use their imagination, and that the way they imagine, the power of imagination also improves. Whereas if I show on the some kind of a model on the or a movie, right, that gets slightly hampered, but that should not be taken that seriously. Then COVID came and then we all moved into online mode. Now in the online mode, all the teachers face the same problem. You have to look at that red dot which comes over there and you have to imagine always that the student is sitting over there, but there are no gestures, and as a result of which you don't know that whether your pace was proper or not, and all sorts of things. But then again, when we came back, as Professor Gadri was mentioned, that is a welcome move that now we are able to have classes in in-person mode. The first thing what I realized is that the same course I am teaching, I taught several years and now I am again teaching the same course. The number of questions that I am facing now has dramatically reduced. It has reduced dramatically. Earlier, after uttering 3-4 sentences, every time I was stopped. Why you are saying this? Why it is not this way, not this that way? But now it has completely stopped. Then after 3-4 lectures, I called some senior students and asked that what is the problem? That you people were you saw both the worlds of why you were not asking questions now. So what the very interesting thing they mentioned. See, earlier we had the way of, because when we were teaching at that time we were also thinking and the questions keep on coming on our back of our mind, and we used to ask the question. Now we have lost that habit of asking the question, because that when you are now speaking in front of us, moment the question appears, before I could frame the question, you have moved on to the next topic or next sentence. So that all questions got bundled up and holed up and over there. So that is one of the, so we can take advantage of this issue. So that means as we are talking about this blended mode of instruction. So one of the major advantage that we can accrue from this blended mode of instruction is that the students can go through the lectures later, and whatever questions they have, they can raise it to the instructors later on, and the instructors can find their way, their time and in their leisure, or maybe we talk about office hours. These office hours can be shifted to an online mode kind of thing, and that way we can derive the best of both the worlds. So I think I have spoken more than 5-7 minutes. So let's hear from others and then we can again come back.